Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get money out of Stash app. First, you'll need to understand the type of Stash account you have, as withdrawal processes can vary slightly. We'll then walk through the simple steps to initiate a withdrawal directly from your Stash account. It's a straightforward process, and knowing what to expect will make it even easier. Let's get started and ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. To begin, open your Stash app and navigate to the Transfer section. This is where you manage all your money movements. From there, you'll select the specific Stash account you wish to withdraw from, whether it's your Invest, Smart Portfolios, or banking account. Then, simply enter the exact amount you want to transfer out. Make sure to double-check the amount before confirming to ensure accuracy. After initiating your withdrawal, funds typically arrive in your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days. It's crucial to ensure your external bank account is correctly linked and verified with Stash to avoid any delays. If your bank information has changed, update it promptly. Most withdrawals are free, but it's always a good idea to quickly review Stash's fee schedule for any specific circumstances. When withdrawing from investment accounts, remember there might be tax implications, especially for gains. It's wise to consult a tax professional if you have questions. Also, be mindful of any minimum balance requirements your Stash account might have to avoid issues. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.